So we got a new box here. I really wanted to get some stuff because I had just ordered some seats. You need seat rails. So ordered some seat rails. Don't have the roll bar yet, but have the seat rails and harness. And we chose to go with Garage Star. Woo! They gave us some stickers.
Thanks, Garage Star.
They gave us the hardware for the seat rails. Going to go ahead and open up the NA, NB.
Both cars.
Seat rails.
Wow, fire. Yep, it's gonna go just like that. Boom, just like that. You're gonna go ahead and push this up. The seat is gonna sit right there on one side with the little pin on the side, and boom.
What I can say, product looks good. Product didn't come with really too many flaws. I mean, some scratches right here, some scratches right here. Got small scratches right here, small scratches right there by the bolts. And then you got some stuff over here. But to be real with you guys, I mean, these are seat rails. So
let's talk about it.
People are not seeing these seat rails.
What kind of rating would you give it out of 5? Where are we at here?
First seat rail came with the, everything, the rails, the harness, got some stickers. I'd give it a 5 experience on my purchase. But let me take you guys over here real quick so I can show you guys these seats that I bought. We have some Bride. Nice. So I'm gonna tell you guys now, I did go with the Bride Reps just because it's a Miata and I feel like these would be good too anyway. Like, I'm not gonna spend that much money on a seat. So to get these bad boys, honestly, they're comfortable. The person who sold it to us, he gave us great customer service, got right to us real quick. I did get 2 seats. So I do also have this one that I haven't put together back part or anything like that. This seat in the car, and we're gonna let you guys know how that goes.
All right, what's up? So we're gonna go ahead and get this install started, and come with me, join me. We're gonna go ahead and take it piece by piece. First seat rail right here. We're gonna go ahead and get it attached to the side of the body right here. I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's all done. Cool, so we got it mocked up. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay. Got one side on, just, pre-mock, something that, we can all look at. Real quick, I don't know if this is gonna be the final setting or not, but we got it pre-mocked, looking good, okay. All right, guys, I'm breathing a little hard, but it's okay. We got the old seat out. This is the new seat. Right now, the Miata is seatless. Yeah, major upgrade, as you can see. We went from 1990 to, oh my gosh, find me. It's crazy.
So he just finished installing the seat. I'm gonna show you guys what the seat looks like inside the car. I like it, he likes it. And mine, we don't have harnesses yet and we don't have a roll bar yet, but this is just with the seat installed in the Miata. And a heads up before you guys see, because you guys are gonna see. If you own a Miata, the door is hard to close because we have these Bride seats, and the Miata seats are fairly smaller, and just the build of the Bride is just a little, bulkier, so it actually hits the door panel, and I don't want to get new door panels because I like my OEM door panels, so I'm just thugging it out. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you the seat now. You got anything to tell them? You got anything to let them know? How you feeling out here?
I just had a rough morning.
He had a rough morning. So this is what the seat looks like installed. You see the regular seat. You see the Bride. Go ahead and open the door for you.
Fire. Fire.
All bolted down. We got the Garage Star seat mounts, the Bride.
Thanks,
I think
Rockstar.
I think it's looking nice with the interior. Everything sits well with the interior overall. Nice seat. You see how the seat looks. And again, we don't have roll bar and we don't have harnesses yet. Harnesses are on the way, and we're getting the roll bar in place. So bear with us, but it's looking great. Definitely the quick release is needed. So if you are putting on seats, I'm going to tell you right now, when you're doing a bucket and it's not reclinable, you will need a quick release because getting in and out.
How tall are you?
Me?
Yeah.
5'10".
Take his advice. If you 5'10", you 5'7", you can work with me. Looking ass.
You know, it's real close. So, but I'm liking the way the seat came out. We do have the original right here. We have the rails right here. You know, we always got those D&D boxes lying around the house. So we're inside the car. We got the top up. You guys see everything fits. You have a lot more room before you would hit the roof. It is comfortable. You are in a fixed position, so for those who've never bought a bucket seat, you can't recline forward. You can't bend backwards, so you're stuck in this position, but you usually are only buying these seats if you're, you know, track time or something of those sorts, or if you just like how a bucket seat feels. But if you're somebody that is not looking for like a stuck fixed position, you can get a reclining seat, and you know, but in the Miatas, it's kind of hard to get that, you know, the reclining seat. So we just went with the bucket, and I'm enjoying it. Got the black bucket. We still don't have the other side put in yet, but we're gonna get some rails ordered and get that side going on. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. We do have a lot more coming to the channel. We have a super build going on right now, and I just ordered some parts for the Miata, so you'll see really what we have coming in the next videos. We've been really busy recording every day, editing every day, so bear with us. We appreciate everybody tuning in. Hit that like, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button. It always helps the channel out. What you gotta tell them?
Subscribe it up. And today's little message I got today was really crazy. Like I said, I had a bad morning, but it's better to understand than be understood.
You heard him right there. So y'all got the message of the day. We're gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Y'all stay blessed.